This is a Xiaomi XVV webcam. I got just around $10. And this is a webcam very interesting because many people also bought it. The Xiaomi XVV offers high quality video with its 1080p Full HD resolution and other features. So let's dive into the review and see if it's worth buying. The webcam has a bulky design with a clip that allows you to easily attach to it to the top of your monitor or laptop. The clip is also adjustable so you can position the webcam at the angle you prefer. The build quality is good for the price and sturdy enough even though from plastic. The color scheme in the gray and in front of there is a light indicator for the camera and light indicator from the webcam connected. Don't forget, this webcam also built-in microphone. Now, let's talk about the most important features of the Xiaomi XVV webcam. The video quality. The webcam has a resolution of 1080p Full HD, which is impressive considering its price range. The webcam also has a wide-angle lens. In the box, they headlight 150-degree angles which allow you to capture more of your surroundings. We can see in the wide angle of this webcam can capture more area. It more looks like a wide angle camera and like a fish eyes camera, but it makes my room so untidy because the camera can capture a white background. This webcam does not have autofocus. The focus is fixed, so don't expect we can get focus all of the time while we move the face. But I think it is also good. Webcam still capture image detail without much of blur. On the movement, the webcam still lagging like low frame rate, but it happens when we move get fast. I think for daily video conferencing, I think this is not a big deal. For color accuracy, I think this webcam gives the color more warm than the original, like more saturated than the original. And this is, I think it's like more orange than the actual color. So sometimes lift and chair behind also still more saturated, but it is okay. For the color, we will also compare to the camera result, and I think still far away when compared to the camera result. But for video conferencing, I think still respectable. From the image noise, I can say this webcam has respectable noise. At least it can outperform well in the price range. The noise is not too much and still gives clear images, even though better if you want additional lighting to minimize the noise and get better result. On low light performance, the webcam often struggle in low light condition. The webcam automatically adjusts the exposure and brightness to ensure that looks good even in dimly lit environments. Again, better if we have lighting. For the testing, this is when using additional lighting versus without lighting. This is a using lighting for right now because I recorded this video using the camera too. But if I turn off my lighting, the result will be like this. Okay, this. So this is the Xiaomi XVV webcam without lighting. I think it still perform better with even though the noise appear too much on this video, but I think this is respectable for daily conferencing or using Zoom Meet or anything. So I will turn on the lighting again. Now I'm gonna show you what if the webcam uses in a Zoom meetings. I think this is a good webcam and I think better than the mainstream laptop webcam. I also use a green screen in this webcam and the result, I think the result is better than I thought. This webcam can capture my green screen better. Wow. So the selection of the green screen is also better. I'm not found the loss of my body part like ear or edges of my t-shirt and showing artifact. The green screen background performed very well. And I can move in the custom background seamlessly. The selection of the green screen is so clean. There is a part that my background green screen cannot reach. Also in here. So I think for the custom background, this webcam is absolutely amazing from the price range. The Xiaomi XVV webcam is compatible with most operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. And you can also use it with popular video conferencing apps like Zoom, Skype, and Google Meet. Is the Xiaomi XVV webcam worth it? Well, if you are looking for a budget friendly, especially around $10 to $15, this is one of the best options that delivers high quality video and a decent low light performance. Then it's definitely worth considering. However, if you are someone who value high quality audio or advanced features like background blur, then you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, the Xiaomi XVV webcam is a great option for anyone who wants to affordable webcam that gets the job done. Thank you. This is the Xiaomi XVV webcam. If you like, please don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next following video.